Opening shot. Bright and inviting bathroom with natural light streaming in. Musical note. Upbeat background music starts. Musical note. Want glowing skin without all those chemicals? Let's dive into essential natural skincare tips that will transform your routine. Cut to close-up of natural ingredients like honey, aloe vera, and coconut oil. Tip number 1. Nourish with nature. Use honey as a moisturizer. It's not just sweet for your tea, it's packed with antioxidants and perfect for hydrating your skin. Transition to a person applying aloe vera. Tip 2. Aloe vera magic. This powerhouse plant soothes and heals. Whether it's sunburns or irritation, a little aloe goes a long way. Scene change to a person mixing oils. And how about oil cleansing? Tip 3. Use natural oils like jojoba or olive oil. They not only clean your skin but balance oil production. Cut to a person sipping herbal tea. Stay beautiful from the inside out. Tip 4. Hydrate with herbal teas. Green tea, in particular, is fantastic for vibrant, youthful skin. Returning to the bathroom scene finally. Tip 5. Don't forget your SPF. Try natural options like zinc oxide for sun protection that's kind to your skin. Close with a call to action. Ready to glow naturally? Hit that like button and subscribe for more fantastic skincare tips. Share your favorites in the comments below. Musical note. Music fades out. Musical note. End screen with subscribe button and video recommendations. Feel free to adjust any sections or add visuals that fit your style.